Welcome to this tutorial on managing object visibility in the animation workroom of Amira-Avizo software. In this tutorial, you will learn how to animate the appearance and disappearance of the objects in the 3D viewer. We will specifically show how to hide the orthoslice and display the volume rendering during the animation sequence. The orthoslice is visible in the 3D viewer. Its indicator is the small blue box. In contrast, the volume rendering is currently hidden because its visibility box is gray. Clicking this box displays the volume rendering in the 3D viewer. We will first create an animation of the slice number to move the orthoslice backward. Then we will animate the disappearance of the orthoslice, followed by the appearance of the volume rendering. As shown in a previous tutorial, first, by clicking the stopwatch button, move the master time slider to the desired position, set the final position of the orthoslice, and add the corresponding keyframe. Next, we will animate the disappearance of the orthoslice. To do this, we first need to identify the active viewer. Right-click in the 3D viewer and select Identify all viewers. The viewer number is 0. Now, in the orthoslice properties panel, click the first stopwatch button and select Visibility in Viewer 0. This action creates a visibility event and automatically adds 2 keyframes in the timeline panel. Set the first keyframe to on, set the second keyframe to off. This configuration makes the orthoslice disappear during the animation. Press play to preview the result. We will now apply the same workflow to the volume rendering. Since the volume rendering should appear when the orthoslice disappears, we configure the visibility in the opposite way. In the volume rendering panel, click the first stopwatch button to create the visibility event. 2 keyframes are automatically added to the timeline. Set the first keyframe to off, set the second keyframe to on. This makes the volume rendering appear exactly when the orthoslice disappears. Press play to view the complete animation. Thank you for following this tutorial.